How to dropship on Amazon with Shopify dropshipping. Firstly, set up your account on Shopify. Choose a niche. Firstly, set up your account or store on Shopify. Choose a niche, install Deezers or AutoDS. Next, find reliable suppliers such as AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping. These will permit Amazon fulfillment. Then, list your products on Shopify. Sync your inventory to Amazon via Amazon MCF or multi-channel fulfillment. Make sure to comply with Amazon's dropshipping policy. You must be the seller on record and remove supplier invoice. A pricing strategy here is 3 times the cost. Factor Amazon referral fee, which is 15% plus MCF shipping. Automate order routing in Deezers. Track numbers feedback to Amazon automatically. Respond to customer service within 24 hours to avoid risking account suspension. Basically, the key takeaways here are policy compliance, fast shipping, and long-term Amazon dropship success. Like and subscribe if this video helped. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.